They give you a probability distribution table again, and then they don't tell you any given value for variance and expected value. So if we just look at this table, we know that include all the possible outcome. So every possibility add together should equal to 1. That's why we can write down the equation. K squared plus 0.16 plus 0.18 plus 0.3 plus k plus 0.12 should equal to 1. It's obviously a quadratic equation, then we tidy up k squared plus 1k and then the constant. Negative 0.24. Then you can solve it by factorization or use the formula 0.1 in your calculator. So in this case, it is k plus 1.2 and then k minus 0.2 here. Therefore, k is negative 1.2 or k is equal to 0.2. Whenever we have more than one result, we better check is there any constraint that we need to reject some results. We find that k represents a probability, so negative probability is nonsense, we have to reject it. Therefore, our final conclusion, k is 0.2. After we get it, we better update the information, 0.2 and 0.04 here. So the expected value, we just follow the formula. The first outcome times the corresponding probability, 0.04. The second outcome, 2, times the corresponding probability, 0.16, so on and so on. We get 5.22, that's the expected value. And then we focus on C. C, they ask us about the variance of this. We know that this is equal to 9 times of the original variance. But now the problem is what is variance of x. That's why we better calculate the variance of x first. Variance of x is equal to ex squared and also minus ex, the whole thing squared. It's too complicated for me, so I'm going to break down the calculation. To calculate ex squared first. Again, it's the first outcome, 0 squared times corresponding probability. The second outcome, 2 squared times the corresponding probability. So on and so on. We have 33.54. So we can go back to our calculation. 33.54 minus 5.22 bracket square. 6.2916. After that, we can answer the question. Variance bracket 2 minus 3x is equal to 9 times. That means 3 square time of the original variance. 9 times our intermediate result before, and we get it 56.6244. A standard easy question that you should able to solve within 5 minutes.